Hey everybody, welcome back to Mental Health Monday. I'm John Cothran, founder of Work It Out Counseling. Please remember, our videos are not intended to replace a therapeutic relationship with a counselor. Now, continuing on with our whole health treatment, we have Dr. Young with us from River of Life Osteopathic. So, Dr. Young, I appreciate your coming here and spending some time with us.
Absolutely.
And I want to ask, because treatment with you is not like going to a regular medical doctor. So what is osteopathic manipulation treatment?
Well, osteopathic manipulation treatment was developed by a man named Andrew Taylor Still in the late 1800s as sort of a protest to the materia medica at the time. He followed a lightning bone setter and then integrated that type of treatment in with traditional medical knowledge. And then he created medical schools that were up and running in 1910, actually. We had medical schools with 4 years and residencies and everything. So the manipulation treatment stemmed from that man, and it essentially involves a whole body approach, mind, body, and spirit, structure and function being interrelated. And so we look at the patient, we see what obstructions there are to the patient's health and healing, and then we use our hands to remove those obstructions and promote health.
So what is the best benefit of osteopathic manipulation treatment versus regular medical care with pharmacology and all of this?
The greatest benefit, I would say, is that in medicine, whether you're an MD or a DO, the most important thing when you're considering a treatment is to do no harm. And osteopathic manipulation treatment has very low potential for harm and very high potential for promoting health and healing.
So how would you describe the link between mental health and our physical health?
Well, so one of the principles that I practice with being an osteopathic physician is that the mind, body, and spirit are interrelated. And so it just comes up naturally in treatment with patients when you are helping to remove an energetic obstruction in their body. Sometimes they will come up with psychological conflicts they have been enduring or traumas that they've experienced. And we can help them remove those traumas also psychologically by manipulating the fascia and allowing the energy to move.
Oh, that's very interesting. So releasing some energy can also release experiences that they've had that have been kind of stored.
Absolutely.
So then, in a way, I guess that kind of goes back to Dr. van der Kolk and the body keeps the score.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. It can be release of a trauma that happens there in the room, or it can be a little seed that's planted from a interaction, a conversation that I've had with a patient that then allows for a release because of the body work we've also done at the same time later on.
Oh, wow, that's really interesting. So what is the benefit of integrative care combining mental health care and osteopathic treatment?
It is just simply the mind, body, spirit approach, and it is the whole person approach to have it be integrative. That is the most natural way to treat a patient, as our bodies heal spontaneously, and as healthcare providers, our role is to remove the obstructions to that and allow the natural healing process to occur.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So we can really integrate a lot of different things in order to promote the overall healing of our bodies without having to go through a lot of medication, and which is,
Absolutely.
the medication is nice if it's needed, but would you say that medication is intended for short-term acute care?
Mostly it is. It definitely medication has a role, but the most important thing is to tackle the root cause. And sometimes the medicine is more like a Band-Aid. And other times
Right.
it's necessary. Maybe there's a malignant rheumatoid arthritis or something going on where a person has crossed the threshold into the disease state and you have to mitigate it.
Right.
But for the most part, the root cause approach really does prevent you from just masking symptoms so that you don't, go through life without tackling that root cause.
Right. I like how you put that. I am a big fan of finding the root
Yes.
and resolving the root, and then everything else tends to kind of fall in place.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Thank you, Dr. Young, for your time. I really appreciate it. But can you tell everybody, if they want to get some treatment from you, where they can find you?
Yes, I am at River of Life Osteopathic. It is on 11101 West Colonial Drive, and come and visit me anytime between 7:30 and 5, Monday through Thursday.
Okay, everybody. So you know where to find Dr. Young if you need to have some good medical treatment. And I can tell you she is an excellent doctor. I'm John Cothran with Work It Out Counseling, your trusted source for mental health care. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.